Welcome to part 4 of our series on forensic techniques and tools. We'll be diving into advanced topics today. Digital forensics is a rapidly evolving field. Today we'll focus on the cutting edge of investigation in the digital realm. Let's begin with an overview of some advanced forensic tools that are essential for deep dive investigations. Specialized data recovery software allows investigators to recover deleted data, identify hidden files, and analyze corrupted storage with greater efficiency. Memory analysis is crucial for understanding active threats. Techniques like process dumping and volatility analysis help uncover malicious activity residing only in memory. Next, we move to network forensics, which is the capture, recording, and analysis of network traffic for the purpose of discovery and evidence. Packet capture and analysis are foundational to network forensics. Tools are used to intercept and interpret network data to reconstruct events. Analyzing logs from firewalls and intrusion detection systems provides critical insight into external attacks and unauthorized access attempts on a network. Mobile device forensics addresses the unique challenges posed by smartphones and tablets, which are often sources of critical evidence. Different methods, such as logical, physical, and chip-off extraction, are employed based on the device and security measures to retrieve data. Analyzing application artifacts, such as web browsing history, location data, and communication records, can provide crucial context to a case. Cloud forensics is increasingly important due to the shift to remote data storage. This presents new challenges for investigators. A key solution in cloud forensics is data isolation and preservation to maintain the integrity and chain of custody for evidence stored in the cloud. Multi-jurisdictional issues arise when data spans different legal territories, requiring collaboration and adherence to various international laws. As technology advances, so too will forensic techniques. We must stay adaptive to new challenges like AI and quantum computing to ensure justice.